Today, we're whipping up something that's not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. The Prosperity Pumpkin Seafood Symphony. Oof, that's a mouthful. Well, it's colourful, it's crunchy, and it's so cute, just like me on a good hair day. For this recipe, you need a pumpkin, which will be used for serving as the name suggested. Get those that can stand evenly on the flat surface. Shrimps, get them clean, peeled, and deveined. Split them into halves and then diagonally cut them into half again. You can watch out our previous episodes on how to do this. Next, we have fresh scallops. Simply rinse them with clean water. Bell peppers, dice them. We need them for their color and the crunch. Next is the crispy guest of honor, water chestnuts. Dice them too. For the extra flavors, we need minced garlic and ginger. Our first step is to steam our pumpkin. Get a handsome looking pumpkin that is about 1.5 to 2 kg. Steam it for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size. While the pumpkin is sitting in his steam bath, let's make the sauce for stir fry. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 4 tablespoons of water, and half a tablespoon of tapioca starch. Mix it all together until well combined. Back to our pumpkin. Once it's cool, chop off the head and scoop off the seeds and some flesh to create a big bowl. If the flesh is too hard to work with, just steam it again. It's stir fry time! Heat a wok on medium-high, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then add our scallops. Stir fry for about a minute, add a pinch of sugar, remove and keep them aside. Do the same for our shrimps too. Next, stir fry our minced garlic and ginger. Add the colourful bell peppers. Cook them for about a minute or two until they are just softened enough. Then, add back our scallops and our shrimps along with the water chestnuts. Give it a quick mix. Then, add the sauce. Mix until all the ingredients are coated with the sauce. And for the final touch, add Shaoxing wine from the side of the wok. Give it a quick stir and we are done! Plate them in our pumpkin bowl. It's like serving happiness on a plate. There you have it, the Prosperity Pumpkin Seafood Symphony. The mixture of colors isn't just a treat for the eyes, it's a promise of good health, wealth, and crunchiness in every bite.